My name is Erin. I'm a crochet pattern designer and I love to learn interesting crochet stitches and teach them to my crochet audience. Today I want to teach you about the herringbone double crochet stitch. This is a fun zigzaggy stitch where each row you're going kind of in a different zigzag. It uses basically an extended double crochet to create this technique. So let's go ahead. Let's learn the herringbone double crochet. To start out, I just have a foundation row of half double crochets. You can start with as many as you want. Doesn't matter if it's odd, even, whatever. I think I have like 18 stitches here if you want to work with me. So at the end of that row, chain one. It does not count as a stitch here. We're going to learn the herringbone double crochet. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook like any normal double crochet. You're going to pull up a loop, but right away we're going to keep pulling up and go through that first loop. So it's kind of like you're pulling up a loop, but then also doing a slip stitch right afterwards where you're just pulling through that loop. So right now I only have 2 loops on my hook. Then I'm going to chain one, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. And what that creates is kind of this slanted double crochet stitch, and it's kind of extended a little bit. And we're just going to do that all the way across. Okay, so I'm going to do it a few more times so that you can see. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook through the next stitch, and yarn over, pull up a loop, and then so you gotta do it fast. Yarn over, insert your hook through the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then like slip stitch under that next one. Okay, so you used to have 3 loops, and now you just have the 2. Then you're going to chain one just through that first loop and yarn over, pull through both of those loops. I will say this stitch is pretty funky, and it's not muscle memory. You kind of have to train yourself on what to do because there's just a few little extra things to do in this double crochet stitch. It's called herringbone double crochet. Something interesting to know about this stitch is that I find my tension is a lot looser when I do this stitch. So you might consider going down a hook size just to keep tension in a project. Like if you're using this stitch with a different stitch, you might consider going down a hook size. You see, now we're getting the hang of it. Kind of just a little dance. It's a bit tedious, but in the end, like the ending texture is just super fun. Okay, 2 more. I just remembered that in my first stitch and my last stitch, I just like to do a regular half double crochet. So chain one, turn. Right here, I just like to start with a regular half double crochet, and that way the stitches aren't leaning one way or the other on the edge stitches. So then you just do that same thing going back the other way. So yarn over, insert your hook, roll up, slip stitch, chain, and through. Okay, find the next one, slip, chain, go, in, slip stitch, in, chain, go. Okay, then look at this yummy, yummy texture that comes at the end. It's called herringbone double crochet because it goes that way and then back the other way, just like herringbone. So you just repeat that until your desired length. Have fun. What did you guys think of that herringbone double crochet stitch? I found that at the beginning it was a little cumbersome. Like if you're used to just doing a normal double crochet stitch, here you're adding like that slip stitch bit and the chain one, and it kind of felt like the stitch was going on forever, just to be honest. But I do love that really fun zigzaggy feel to it. Let me know in the comments, what did you think of this? What questions do you have? And then also tell me, which crochet stitch would you like to learn next? Please like this video and share it with one of your crochet friends, and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that little bell so you're notified next time I come out with another crochet stitch tutorial. Happy crocheting, everybody!